Cruise by Mandy here on board the Royal Princess. As many people know, the Royal Princess is undergoing the transition to being a medallion, ocean medallion status. They did update the internet to be Medallion Net recently, so now it is going strong, which I am on the Medallion Net now with the Unlimited. The room keys were your traditional ones that pop in like that. As you can see, you take your room key out and slide it in, and they are transitioning to this, which you notice there is nothing right here. So you take and use the medallion and do it that way. So here we go. I'm going to use my own room here. I don't have to take out my my room key at all. I've got it right here on my lanyard because I'm always carrying my lanyard because I lose this, the room key a lot. And I can take and obviously it's not going to work here or here, but the way you get into your room is right here. Bam! Now I can get in. When did this happen? This happened strictly while we were at our 5:30 dinner. So also remember, you still have the light switches on the inside, so if you're wanting lights, you need to have that in, and you can turn the lights on or off and go from there. So once again, many are saying the Ocean Medallion is coming soon, and when they mean soon, it literally could mean changing out your room lock immediately. So instant replay, room key, tapping it, and it's clicked and open. Okay, Cruise by Mandy signing off with Ocean Medallion.